Today's altcoin of the day is going to be Neiro on ETH. That is ticker symbol Neiro ETH. Now, it turns out there are two Neiros, actually. There is Neiro, and then there's Neiro on ETH. In fact, there's three Neiros, and then there's Neiro on Solana. What we are looking at is Neiro on ETH. I will be linking, well, the CoinGecko link in the description below. That way you guys are also not getting confused. Now, I actually got this in the comment section as a request, so I went through all the charts. And this is to say, guys, I am looking at the comment section and I am taking note of all of your recommendations. So if there's any coin you want me to cover in the next video, make sure to let me know in the comment section. So now, as far as Neiro is concerned, I think that this chart actually looks good. Okay, it's taking a pullback like the rest of the market is, along with the rest of the meme coins. However, there's a beautiful structure on here, and I'm sure you guys are seeing this just right off the bat. You cannot miss this. It's a symmetrical triangle formation. Now, symmetrical triangles can swing either way, but given the current market juncture we're currently in a bull market. And I'm looking for many of these altcoins to get into the next wave of their markup phase. So if I really had to place my bet on a breakout here, I'm saying the breakout is going to be to the upside, just given primary market conditions out there. There's actually multiple patterns playing out here, if you guys notice. So there's this massive symmetrical triangle, but within the symmetrical triangle, there is another ascending triangle right there. If you just you're looking at the candle closes, right? It's actually very, very strong on that. Okay, that's the ascending triangle, neckline coming in at 10 cents. And then the much bigger pattern that actually encompasses the symmetrical as well as the ascending triangle. I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but we actually have an Adam and Eve-like formation right here. Okay, the neckline to which comes in here at around 12 cents. There's actually a cascading pattern play that's, that's in formation right now. However, measured move, guys, we're still looking at 22 cents. If you guys really want to be safe on that bid, I'm saying you either catch it on the pullback where it's pulling back at, don't worry, I'll be giving you the bid in a minute. Or if you want to secure a breakout, I'm saying wait for the break of this ascending triangle. I usually don't like playing diagonals because I feel like they're too subjective, but the ascending triangle, you can't go wrong with that, right? But an ascending triangle, guys, you're playing with horizontals here, right? As soon as you start seeing candle closes over 10 cents, you know that, hey, we officially have a breakout. Now, the bullish thing here is that buyers are willing to step in at higher and higher and higher prices, okay? And however, the sellers are not willing to budge. They're like, no, take me on 10 cents or leave me the hell alone, okay? But more importantly, guys, check out this volume that's poured in right here, okay? So we're seeing a lot of bullish tilts right now on Neiro ETH, telling me that, okay, this looks like it actually wants to catch a bid. But question is, how do you actually trade this, right? Where do you place your bid at? You can see that since September 11th, Neiro ETH has actually been holding this 9 cent region as resistance. So 1 week of just us fighting against 9 cents and getting rejected every single time. This is the first break out of that 9 cent region. All right, so if I have to really place a bid here, I'm saying I'd bid the retest of the 9 cent region. You can see price right now is drawing back down into that zone right there. In fact, if you get on over to the 4-hour time frame and turn on the Mango Lifeline indicator, you'll find that the next bid opportunity is coming in right there at around the 0.095 level. Okay, once again, a test of that breakout zone. The lifeline essentially tells you who's in control right now, is the bulls or the bears. If it's green, it's telling you that, okay, the bulls are in control. If it's red, the bears are in control. That is the bullish or the bearish bias. It gives you the next buy opportunity depending on who's in control. So right now, because the bulls are in control, it's saying that, okay, the next pullback is likely a buy the dip opportunity, right? It gives us the buy zone. The invalidation now is essentially when you are wrong on the trade. Remember, trading is always about probabilities, not certainties. As soon as we start losing this blue line right here, we know that we're wrong on the trade. Neiro is likely coming down even further to perhaps touch the bottom of that purple box territory, coming in at 0.08. But the invalidation is essentially going to keep you objective and tell you when it's time to get out and cut your losing positions. Not just that, the targets, check this out, guys. Prices actually rallied all the way up to target 1 and got rejected right there. Okay, so once again, I'll be looking for target 1 to get tested once again as soon as we start breaking 10 cents. Like I said, for those of you looking for strength on Neiro before you get in, 10 cents is the region. Now, I also like Neiro because check this out. It's got $100 million as far as market cap is concerned. Okay, $100 million in market cap, which is actually not bad. It's actually really good. Like, I feel like there's a lot more juice still left on Neiro on ETH. But check out the listings. This is power packed. Look at the amount of exchanges this is listed on. Now, BitUnex is one of the exchanges, and if you haven't already heard, guys, BitUnex is running a very generous campaign where they're essentially giving you $150 for free for a $200 deposit. So if you guys are looking to put on this trade or even practice your leverage trading with, definitely take advantage of the campaign. I'll be linking it in the description below. That's literally free money at the corner of the room for you guys to trade with. So this is the current trade setup I'm seeing, and this is the more prominent one. An ascending triangle formation, which is a very bullish pattern. The bid opportunity coming in at 0.094 based on the lifeline indicator that we just went through. Now, Neiro Eth only breaks out as soon as we can start clearing the neckline right here at 10 cents. Okay, this is the number we're looking for Neiro to clear. Now, the first interim target is going to come in at 12 cents. From where price is at right now to target number one, guys, that's a good 25% to the upside. Okay, 25% just on that swing alone. However, there's a much bigger target that we're looking at, right? Yes, that massive symmetrical triangle that we went over, but let's go ahead and grab something that's clearly in our faces right now, which is the ascending triangle formation. If I go ahead and take the measured move of the ascending triangle-like formation, guys, that's going to take Neiro Eth all the way up to 20 cents. From where price is at right now to that 20-cent target, guys, that's a good 2x. That's a good 100% on that trade. All right, that's the next major swing. And because we're in a bull market, there's no saying what happens from then on. Yeah, price could get up there, but it could also overshoot. But that is just one of the interim targets that we have. So look for target number one, which comes in at 12 cents. But the final target of the ascending triangle alone is 20 cents. All right, that's a 2x. Now, this is all I have for you on Neiro Eth. If you guys want me to cover any of the coin, make sure to mention in the comment section below. Also, for those of you actively trading right now, do take advantage of the BitUnix campaign. $150 for free for a $200 deposit. There's no KYC on the exchange. There's no country restriction either. And I believe the $150 actually gets deposited into your account within 24 hours. So yeah, it's actually pretty neat, and it's going to last for a couple of more weeks from today. Now, once again, let me know which other coin you want me to cover, and I'll be more than happy to deliver. I will now see you in the Discord chat. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.